What's up, guys? So we're here at Opera Omnia and a new banner has appeared. Let's take a look at it and give you my thoughts on what you should do as a free-to-play player. But honestly, really in this game, it's all about your favorite heroes. So even if your hero is not great or amazing, don't worry, don't sweat it. Unless it's Yang. I'm hearing Yang is really bad in this game. So if your favorite hero is Yang, sorry. Try next game. Try Brave Exvius. Try something else. Not here. Yang sucks. Yep, I don't want any of the Yang hate down below, but we're going to get it. So in this banner here, Terra is amazing. Terra is a great unit, but the other two units are just so. Rem is a starter unit, so you most likely have, already have Rem's 5-star weapon. A lot of players got Rem's weapon in the very beginning of the game. And so, it's not really worth it to try and hunt for 4 of Rem's weapon. And then Penello's just about average, nothing special there from my understanding. But the big one is Terra. So if you are pulling, you should be pulling for Terra's weapons, and fingers crossed that you get Terra's weapon. Terra is a monstrous DPS character. So me personally, I am not gonna, I'm not gonna roll on this banner. We are gonna go and do some summons from the other banner because this banner has some of my favorite characters. So I love Zidane. Squall is amazing DPS, and Tifa, Tifa's okay. So we don't have Tifa's weapon on this account. We have Squall and Zidane's weapon. So let's go ahead and do a draw here and see what we get. So you do need 4 copies of the same weapon. If you do get any 5-star though, you can sell it for 15,000 gil, and then also a item that kind of acts as uh, a limit break item. So even the worthless 5-stars that you get for other characters are not worthless. They are very important. All right, good. We are in the 4 stars. Come on, let's go to 5-star. Let's get some multiple 5-stars. Oh, it's not looking good, guys. Nope, we just got 1 5-star there. Should we do another one? We have enough gems. We could do another one, guys. Let's roll the dice and let's go do another one here. We are getting crazy. 5,000 more gems going down. So again, we are aiming for Tifa. We wouldn't be sad if we get another Zidane or Squall weapon at all. So any of these 3, personally, I'm okay with. So let's see what happens. Man, so many 3-stars. It's not looking good, guys. I think we just got 1 5-star again. Oh, we got the Tifa weapon, though. All right. I think our luck has to change here, guys. We've only got 1 5-star in each of these pools. I am just tempted. We're going to go crazy. We're going to spend all our gems, and we are going to summon one more time. Hopefully, we can get really lucky and get a bunch of 5-stars to make up for our shitty pools. So the nice thing about this game is they do give a ton of gems for free, but you can't go on summoning sprees like this. We are playing multiple different games. So we have a couple iPads going, we have Blue Stacks going, we have a phone going, we have several different games. So we are going to be able to bring you some pull videos quite often. All right, there's one. Only one again. Garbage. Garbage. So bad pulls, just that one guaranteed 5-star for us. Good luck, you guys. Maybe it was telling us we should have pulled on the Terra banner instead, but I personally prefer this banner way better than that Terra banner. Good luck. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.